Going on. Went and done a little fishing this morning, and old lady was talking about wanting to get back out on the water since it's July and we hadn't got there yet, so figured I'd go ahead and yank the boat back out and get it ready. So got to get the motor put back on it and got to get it running again because it's been about a year and a half, almost 2 years since it's been out. So let's jump into it, see if we can get this old shit box going. Here's a look at it. Had one of my buddies repaint it and recarpet it 2 years ago, and it got taken out one time since then. But here's the old duck and fishing boat. So yeah, just got to go grab the motor out of the shop, slap it on there, and start seeing if we can get it going. So catch y'all when we get all that set up. Well, we got to working on the boat, and realized it don't the motor ain't pissing, so I think the water pumps done went down in it. So had to go in there and order a water pump, and went on and ordered my throttle bracket and all that stuff. So we're gonna leave it out here, let it get a little bit of rain on it because the storm's rolling in pretty good, thundering. So there's gonna be a part 2 to this video, and hopefully we can get it fixed. If not, I'm gonna be in search of a 25 short shaft outboard, and we still gotta pull the other boat out of the wood line over here. I pretty much got that motor set up there and just took the battery up, and I put it in that cooler back there and tried to get it to piss, but the water pump was weak 2 years ago when I stopped using it. But yeah, we got to pull this old turd out. Gave my buddy $800 for it. It ran good when it was parked. It's only been back there about a year, so I guess when we get home tomorrow, we'll pull that one out and hook the battery to it, see if we can get it to fire up and run. I just got to swap the gas tank from this boat to that boat. So, but yeah, I guess go ahead and post this video and wait for part 2 on the boat, or boats, because the old lady really wants to go out on the water. So if I can't get these running, I'm just gonna sell both of them and we're just gonna go buy a new boat. But y'all stick around and we'll try to get them going. Appreciate y'all. Needs new plugs.
Huh?
Needs new plugs, don't it?
What's wrong with
It wasn't pissing, but now it is.